Let's take a look at graphing linear functions and then finding the zeros of it. First thing we'll do is we'll find a graph of each one of those. And then we'll find the zeros. Okay. So I'm going to press, for this first one, I'll press y equals clear. And it's negative 4/5 x plus 3. So negative, that's 1 on the very bottom row. 4 divided by 5 x plus 3? Yeah, plus 3. And then graph. And that would be your answer. Let's look at the other one. Press clear. I'll press y equals, press clear. And the other one's 9x plus 5. So 9x plus 5. And then graph. And that'll give us our other graph. Well, let's briefly look at how to do those by hand, because it really isn't too bad to graph those. Let's see, what is this? 3, 4. Oh, okay, try it again. There you go. And f of x is equal to negative 4/5 x plus 3. Now, if it's in this form, this is slope-intercept form. Your slope is going to be whatever's before your x, which is negative 4/5. And the number at the end is going to be your y-intercept. So to graph this, we go to 3 on our y-axis, and we put a dot. That's our y-intercept. Slope is a change in y over change in x. So the negative 4 means I'm going to go down 4. And the 5 down below is a change in x, so that means I'm going to go right 5. So from that point, I'll go down 4 and right 5, and that's where I'll put my second point. And then draw a line between them. Now let's find a 0 while we're here. To find a 0, you set it equal to 0 and solve. So I'll set the negative 4/5 x plus 3 equal to 0 and solve. Now this is a linear equation. We'll get rid of parentheses, there is none, we'll get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. I only got one denominator, so that is my LCM. So multiply everything by 5. Now when I do that, these 5 is going to cancel. And we got negative 4x plus 15 equals 0. Third step, get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. I'm going to take the 15 over to the right side. So I got negative 4x equals negative 15. Take anything across your equals as sign changes. Last step, divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is a negative 4. Do that. These negative 4 is going to cancel. And these negatives are going to cancel. And that gives us 15 over 4. And that's our 0. Let's do our second example. F of x is equal to 9x plus 5. Well, this is our slope, the number for your x, which is 9. Now put it in fraction form. And this is our y-intercept. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go there and put a point. Now this is a change in y over change in x, our slope. So that means up 9 and right 1. Up 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And right 1. And that'd be our point. And we draw a line through it. And that's our answer. Now to find a 0. Again, we'll take it, and the function, set it equal to 0. And give her parentheses, give her fractions, don't have either one. Give everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side, so it takes 5 over. So we got 9x equals negative 5. And the last step, divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is a 9. So divide both sides by 9. And those 9's cancel. And we got x is equal to negative 5 over 9. And that's our answers.